Hey everyone, welcome to another PostGrid tutorial. In this video, we're going to be focusing on PostGrid's built-in List Builder tool. Our List Builder tool allows you to create new mailing lists from a large set of US consumer data, which in doing so will allow you to refine or have more specific audiences for your mailing campaigns. To use our List Builder tool, there are two main ways you can use this through the dashboard. We have the option to utilize it through our campaigns workflow, or you can use the standalone tool. Now, both processes are nearly identical. The only difference being through the campaigns workflow is we will be going through the actual process to send out a mailing. For the sake of this video, just because of how they are nearly or exactly identical, we'll be going through the campaigns workflow just to have a better idea on how it incorporates into the process. Select Campaigns Overview, create your campaign, and then you'll be able to select your collateral. The current options you could use a list builder with are letters, postcards, and self-mailers. At this current moment in time, we do not support the ability to use the list builder through sending out checks. So select your collateral, hit Next, and this is where you will build a list. Typically, you would upload a CSV file with all your mailing information already uploaded or stored in that file, but for the sake of this video, or for the sake in anywhere that you want to build a list, you will select this option. Now, if you have previously built a list or anything that you have used within this before, you do have the option to select it again. That way you're not continuously buying mailing lists over and over again. This is really efficient, especially if you have reoccurring campaigns that you want to send out to the same people. You do have the option to send or select a previous list that you have already used before. So for this, we're going to build a list, and once you are in the List Builder tool, the first thing you're going to do is give your list a unique name, and you will do the targeting method or select the targeting method. Once you have that done, you will continue to the filters, and the first thing you're going to want to do is put in a location. Now you can either select anywhere on the map if that's what you want to do, or if you want to, you can also paste in a specific address and it will use that as the starting radius. You don't have to be super refined with the address. You can also keep it pretty generic or broad. As you can see here, it allows for a lot of flexibility, or it allows for you to target, wider ranges for your audience. Once you have your location set, you will select your radius. For the sake of this video, we're going to keep it at 1. Then you have the more refined filters, like setting the number of contacts you want to pull for this list, the age range filter for this list, income for the specific recipients of the list, gender filter, education levels, occupations, the number of children, and home value. So there's a lot of flexibility, a lot of options that you can use to refine your mailing list or have it as specific as you want it to be. Once you're content with the location, radius, and filters, you will hit Next. And it brings you to the final step. It gives you an estimation on how many contacts you'll be sending to, the price per contact, total cost, and if you have any credits applied. And that's where the total amount due comes in. And underneath that, it will give you a generic overview of what you can expect some of the contacts to look like. And once you are all content with that, you will hit Purchase List, and we'll just give it a second. Just like that, it's done. It's really that simple. I think that's what makes it such a phenomenal tool. And you can really send to, a vast amount of people for your mailing campaigns. And it makes it just super easy. So yeah, if you guys have any questions regarding this tool, you're always welcome to reach out. We're happy to help and assist with anything we can. But hopefully this video was helpful in regards to learning the overall process. And thank you guys for watching.